Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the JBL PartyBox 720, the loudest battery-powered party speaker JBL currently offers. I've combed through reviews, real user feedback, and performance tests from all over the internet so you get the full picture before deciding if this is worth your money or just another flashy speaker. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right out of the box, the PartyBox 720 feels like a statement piece. It's big, bold, and in classic black that blends into most party setups while still looking sleek. Many owners online point out how solid and well built it feels, nothing flimsy or cheap about this thing. And honestly, when you first power it up, the lightshow feature immediately grabs your attention. This isn't your simple LED strip. The lights are dynamic, reactive, and customizable, which turns any beat into a visual experience. It's exactly the kind of feature people talk about when they say this speaker brings the party to life. Now let's talk sound, and this is where it matters most. Across the board, reviewers online rave about how powerful and clear this speaker is. JBL calls it Pro Sound, and after looking at actual sound pressure and listening tests, it's easy to see why. The lows hit hard without muddiness, the mids are clear enough for vocals, and the highs stay crisp even at high volumes. And when we say loud, we mean it. You can easily fill a backyard, large room, or outdoor space with sound that stays punchy without distortion. A lot of people online compared it to speakers twice the size and price, and many say it still holds its own. Battery life is another big talking point. JBL claims up to 15 hours of playtime, and while real-world usage varies with volume and light settings, many users report getting close to that number in typical party conditions. That's impressive for a speaker this powerful, long enough to get through evening gatherings without constantly searching for an outlet. And speaking of outdoors, the IPX4 splash-proof rating means this speaker can handle light rain or accidental spills. Not a full submergence by any means, but enough peace of mind to keep the music going without stress. Connectivity is straightforward, Bluetooth works solidly, and there are options for wired inputs if you're hooking up musical instruments or DJ gear. People online especially like how easy it is to pair phones or devices, making it great for sharing playlists with friends mid-party. Plus, the built-in wheels and handles make moving this big unit easier than you'd expect, and that's something many owners actually appreciate more than they thought they would. So after looking at user impressions, expert tests, and real-world comparisons all over the internet, here's my honest take. If you want a speaker that delivers serious volume, excellent sound quality, killer lights, and strong battery life, the JBL PartyBox 720 is absolutely worth it. It's not a cheap little Bluetooth speaker. It's a full party system that performs closer to pro gear without needing amplification or DJ equipment. Now, if you're shopping strictly for something small and ultra-portable, there are lighter options, but if blasting great sound and light at events is your goal, this thing delivers. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next breakdown. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.